है, तो उसके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? उस एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Actually, true life, when it comes to like being real life incident, it's something every girl faces these days, especially with all the rapes and everything happening. Everyone's really afraid. बाहर जाएंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ डर होगा कि like is he really trying to help you or तो we are all becoming very cynical and skeptical. We don't know who to trust, who not to trust, and there are nice people out there also. So this incident actually happened with me a few years back when I was in college, and at that point of time, it kind of shook my sensibilities a little bit. Like I thought I was a very broad-minded, very sensitive person, and then when something happened like this, I realized that I'm just like any other person, judging, very judgmental, and being quick to stereotype someone as some good, bad, or whatever in your head. So that was important to tell the story because these days it's important to remember the human side of things. It's not just about you have to recognize who is good, who's not. It's very important.
अच्छा, अगर बात करें शॉर्ट फिल्म्स की, तो शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाने काफ़ी मुश्किल होता है।
Yeah.
काफ़ी कम समय में सब कुछ दिखाना पड़ता
Yeah.
है। तो उसके लिए कितनी मेहनत की आपने इस शॉर्ट फिल्म को बताने के लिए, और स्टार कास्ट किस तरह से फाइनलाइज हुई इसके लिए?
So actually, Pramod and I are friends from before. We both are friends from Hyderabad, and we both moved to Bombay to in search of greener pastures. I guess we wanted to do good film. So Pramod and I were going to do a play, and then I told him, "Look, we both need show reels. You as an actor and I as a director. So why don't we do something?" And we were just talking about this little idea, and we decided, why don't we do this as a short film? And honestly, आप जो कहा दैट्स एक्चुअली ट्रू बिकॉज शॉर्ट फिल्म्स में इतना बजट्स नहीं होते हैं
राइट।
एंड इतना सपोर्ट नहीं होती है यूजली बट प्रमोद वॉज वेरी सपोर्टिव लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल द इंटीरियर फॉर यूजली शॉर्ट फिल्म में इतना नहीं बजट होगा कि लाइक एक कंप्लीट सेट कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं तो बाहर किसी शॉप में जाके वहाँ पे कैमरास लगा के करने के लिए कोशिश करते हैं लेकिन इतना अच्छा आउटपुट नहीं आता है लाइक अभी एक एंगल से लेना है तो कैमरा लेंसेज वो सब कुछ लाइक डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए तो इसलिए वी कंस्ट्रक्टेड द होल इंटीरियर पार्ट ऑफ इट एंड इट टेक्स मनी इट्स नॉट एन ईजी जॉब टू डू इट एंड to do that and Pramod was very supportive and also to complete a film on time you need the money flowing regularly and and all that was done without even us feeling we have to put in an effort so that was kudos to Pramod because he's been very very supportive and the best part about it is he never once asked me how the film is going on during the editing table. Usually producers go like he's taking a risk, a big risk on me as a first time director. He's not seen too much of work that I've done. So for him to have a complete faith on me is really great because till the end of the film he let me do the film the way I wanted it and that's the greatest part of he's an actor in this film also. There's always that fear that how is the film coming out, So he never once asked me. That's a lot of freedom and I think I'm really lucky to have this opportunity and he brought in all the team together. He brought in Shanti is a brilliant actress, you've seen her, and
right.
he brought in Rajesh, he brought in Tanuj and Santa who worked and helped me everyone contributed so much to the film and Arijit did a great score for the film so yeah the whole point is he brought in this great team together, everyone put in so much and that's not something short films actually have.
Yeah. Any upcoming projects you want to share?
I'm actually doing another short film also. It's a silly comedy but I'm also in the process of writing screenplays. I want to get into feature films so hopefully that should be the next step.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.